We are pleased to present this video to you on behalf of Solutions Advisor LLC. Our video aims to give you useful information you can use to improve your life and the lives of your family members. Please consult a lawyer who is knowledgeable about your issue for legal advice, as our videos are intended for educational purposes and do not provide any legal advice. Subscribing, liking, and sharing our videos are all ways you can support us. What do credit repair companies do? Have you ever considered using a credit repair company to help improve your credit score? If you're not sure what these companies do, here's a quick rundown. Credit repair companies work to remove negative items from your credit report that may be dragging down your score. These can include things like late payments, collections, and bankruptcies. They do this by disputing these items with the credit bureaus, arguing that the information is incorrect or that the item should be removed because it's past the statute of limitations. Credit repair companies may also help you to negotiate with creditors to have negative items removed from your credit report in exchange for payment. In addition to removing negative items, credit repair companies may also help you to build up your credit by advising you on how to establish a good credit history and by providing you with resources like credit building credit cards and loans. It's important to keep in mind that while credit repair companies can be helpful, they can't perform miracles. It takes time and effort to improve your credit, and there are no guarantees that all negative items will be removed from your credit report. If you're considering using a credit repair company, be sure to do your research and choose a reputable one. There are many scams out there, so it's important to be cautious. Do you have any experience with credit repair companies? Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you need a credit repair coach? Are you ready to increase your score? Are you ready to control your debt? Our sincere thanks go out to you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Our goal is to bring you life-changing content, and the simple acts of subscribing, liking, and sharing are how you help us do so.